Hi, I'm Kelly, and today I'm going to show you how to make vinyl decals with your Cricut, the easy way. If you've ever wanted to make custom car decals, personalize a tumbler, label jars, or just add something fun to your laptop, this project is for you. With the newest features in Design Space, making Cricut vinyl decals is faster and easier than ever, even if you're a total beginner. So let's jump in. To get started, we're just going to need a Cricut machine. I'm using a Joy Xtra, but this works the same on all Cricut machines. Some permanent vinyl, a standard grit mat, a weeding and scraper tool, and transfer tape. You'll also want something to apply your decal to. We'll open Design Space and select vinyl decal from here or up in this drop down. I want to make a mug today, so I'll pick mug here. And now we'll choose our size. I really like that it recommends sizes based on what you want to make. I find it hard to visualize that sometimes, so having a starting point is so nice. Now Design Space gives me a perfectly sized canvas and has a bunch of options that would work great for this type of project. I really appreciate how easy it is with these new project flows to find designs that work great as a decal. It's happened to me more than once with the huge image library Design Space has that I've fallen in love with a design and then later realized it wasn't gonna work with what I had in mind. So I really love this feature. You can see all these images here, add text, or find a bunch of customizable templates here. This template is really cute. Let's do that one. I also love having this preview over here on the right. You can see what it will look like on your final project. Since this is a template, I'll just click this text and update it with a new name. So quick and easy. Once you're happy with how it looks, you're ready to make. Design Space automatically sets your project up for a vinyl decal. We don't need to change any settings, just select our material here. Okay. Now we'll get our vinyl onto our mat. We'll load it into our machine and let Cricut do the rest. And when the cut is finished, it's time to weed out our design. Weeding just means removing the extra vinyl around your design. You'll use your weeding tool to carefully peel away the negative space. Take your time here, especially with script fonts or small decals. Here's our final decal. I love the way this looks. Now our final step is just to apply it to our base. So let's place our transfer tape on too. I've cut this down to be just a little bit bigger than the design. We actually have a really great video with tips and tricks for using transfer tape, so I'll link that below. We'll burnish the decal with our scraper tool here to get it adhered to our transfer tape. Now we'll apply it where we'd like on our clean base here. We'll burnish again to get our decal from our transfer tape onto our base. And peel. And that's it. You just made a custom vinyl decal in minutes. Now you know how to make vinyl decals with Cricut, from design to application. These are perfect for making gifts that have that little extra personal touch, home organization, or just adding a little bit of personality to everyday items. Once you make one, you'll see how easy it can be, and you'll find so many things you can put decals on. I mean it, you should see my house. If you want more Cricut tutorials and Design Space tips, check out our other videos or leave a comment below for what you'd like to see next. Happy making!